I never told you where to go, I just made sure you never know. Every little doubt inside your head was a word I left unsaid. You called it fate, you called it love. You thought you found what you were dreaming of. I never pushed, I never pulled. I just watched you do what you were told. You looked at me and felt so free. Funny how that worked for me. You chose me, you chose me. Or did I make you believe? You chose me, you chose me. Right when you thought you were free. No chains, no lies, no warning signs. Just a little voice inside your mind. You chose me, but you never chose the choice. I knew the words you needed most. I knew exactly when to get close. I gave you space, I let you run, then turned around when you were done. You call me dangerous, maybe you're right, but you still reach for me every night. You could walk away, you could leave, but somehow you always come back to me. Was it your heart? Was it your mind? Was it your choice? Or was it mine? You chose me, you chose me. That's what you tell yourself. You chose me, you chose me. Like nobody else could help. No chains, no lies, no warning signs. Just a little voice inside your mind. You chose me, you chose me. But I chose for you this time.